Hey guys, if you are getting the Microsoft Windows App Runtime Dependency LifetimeManager pop-up issue, we are not going to guide you through a long manual fix. Instead, here is a simple trick to fix it automatically. Just go to your desktop, right-click, and create a new text document. Now copy this code from the video description box or the comment section and paste it into the file. Save it as fixlifetimemanager.batch on your desktop. Once the file is created, right-click on it and select Run as Administrator. Now let the tool run automatically. When it finishes, restart your PC and the issue should be gone. Thanks for watching. Stay safe.